Hello my friend, my name is Galit and welcome back to our creative space. Today I have another junk journal process to share with you, and for today I'm decorating some pages to record my niece's birthday party, which was so much fun. I already chosen these pages because I really love the blue and the purple, and my niece gifted me this little band that had in her candles, and it says happy birthday, and I already put a little scrap of paper with the word family in it. On the other page I made a tag and I already did some journaling in it, but I really wanted to decorate these pages more. So, as usual, I'm starting with some scraps from my table and just trying to figure out how and where to start. I have this envelope that my husband gave me a while ago, and I really wanted to use it as a tipping envelope and to decorate it. Now the pictures, I'm not going to put it right now. I'm going to put it off camera and do some journaling off camera, because my niece and nephew are still really young and I don't want to put their picture up on the internet yet. So I'm starting decorating the page with some scrap that I want underneath the band, and now as usual I'm just pulling every scrap that is more of a neutral colors and have some flowers, vintage style to it, so I'm just pulling everything out. I love this little scrap of fabric. It also has some flowers and leaves on it, and I really love using it. I want to punch a circle of the little flowers, and the puncher didn't go through, so I had to cut a little strip, and now I can punch a circle, and yeah, it came out really beautiful. So yeah, I really love the random scraps that I have. It looks very good at the end. This is a book paper that I really love using, and I'm searching for a background for this circle, and I really love this baby blue. The bigger scraps has little kitten that fly and it's very cute. So yeah, at first I thought to put the circle that I punched on the fabric itself, but I really wanted a background. And here I'm just showing where I would put the pictures from the party, but yeah, this I will do off camera. After I pretty much know how I want to decorate that page, I'm moving for the next, and I'm removing the tag so I can decorate that page. I really love this paper with the green and the pink flowers on it. So yeah, I'm just starting to glue everything down. And I'm gluing the fabric with the glue stick. So yeah, now I'm gluing the circle, and it came out really delicate and beautiful at the end, so I really like it. Now I'm gluing a piece of scrap underneath the band. And now I'm gluing the scrap from the book. I have this tag that I made a while ago, and I thought at first to put it on the first page, but at the end I decided to put it with the other tag. But first I wanted to keep decorating, and I really love this baby blue color paper, and I was still missing a pop of color, so I decided to use a fabric sticker, which gave it more color. I'm looking for a label to put on that band. I really love this label. And I'm securing everything on the first tag, and I wanted to add these two tags together, so I pull out the thread. It's a greenish color, and I'm securing everything down, and I'm tying them both together, and that's it. Now I'll have more space for journaling afterward. Now moving on to this envelope, and I'm cutting it down to size. I tried to round the edges, but it didn't work. So I just did it with the scissors, and I took a washi tape and I secured the envelope with a washi tape. So it will be a tip-in envelope. I'm cutting the excess away, and I'm doing the same on the other side. And now I'm decorating the envelope, and I want to stick to the same colors as the other page so that everything will feel more connected on the pages. I thought about putting a tag there, but at the end I decided to make the envelope more open so I can put things in it more easily, and I punched a half circle there, and I decided on this tag with the birds, and I wanted to secure the hole that I punched, so I took an eyelid. Now in most cases my husband does that for me because I'm really bad at this. I don't know why, but today I wanted to try and it came out really good, so I'm happy with it. And I will use the same string from before. I'm still missing something on the first page, so I took a scrap of paper and just cut the flower from it and just glued it to the page. And I finally peeled off that washi tape from my table. So yeah, these pages are pretty much done, and later on I will decorate the other side. But first, I want to use this picture of the cake, and I want to use some stickers. I took a label from the stickers and I attached the cake, and I will put a little decoration on the bottom and I will write happy birthday on that. But before that I wanted to add a little butterfly, and I found this blue butterfly and attached it to the envelope. I found a little sticker that says love and a little heart, and I glue it on the first page. And now that I'm happy, I will glue the picture afterwards, but now we'll go to decorate the other side of the envelope. Here I just wanted to have a big piece of paper that I will have lots of journaling space on it, and I really like the pinkish color, so I decided to use that paper. And I added a little cake sticker, and I wanted to add this label, but before that I wanted to add a bit of color, so I used a small scrap of paper and just glue it on the page, then the label and a little bow, and in the end I will write Untitled, which is like congratulations. So yeah, these pages are pretty much done. I really like the white space that I have because I want to journal quite a lot, and I really love that the envelope has enough space in it. Here I'm just writing the date of her birthday, and yeah, it came out really beautiful and I really like it. And it was so fun journaling about the birthday, and especially in these hard times, remembering all the laughter and everything. It was so fun. I really enjoyed making these pages to have a memory of these special times. So yeah, that is it. These are my final pages. I hope you enjoyed this journaling process video. Feel free to write your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, go watch the other video that is showing right now on your screen, to see more junk journaling process and to get you inspired to create yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!